Hi all, Chris here today with a video for the TheCRTman. Now, do any of you collect or have an interest in the older analog televisions, yet have wondered how you can use them in today's digital age? Well, in this video, I show you how to set up your own analog transmitting system. Now here is the equipment I've used in my system, and it will vary from person to person, as some might not have a gaming console, or you might have a PlayStation instead of an Xbox. But this is just what I've used: a television, a gaming console, a digital set-top box, a DVD and VCR combo unit, a coaxial booster and divider, a second coaxial booster, 75 ohm coaxial wall socket, an RF modulator, an AV selector for RCA cables, a transmitting antenna, RCA cables, which are those audio-visual cables with the red, white and yellow leads which plug into your television, and lastly, the 75 ohm coaxial cable. At this stage, I recommend that you set out all your equipment in a location where it is easy to connect and run the cables, where there is plenty of light so you can see what you are doing, and where there are sufficient wall power and coaxial outlets available. An open-backed home entertainment unit is perfect for this application, as you can move it away from the wall to allow for easy access to the front and back of your equipment. Once you have the equipment set out, the first thing you should do is connect the DVD player to one of the sets of RCA input jacks on the AV selector. Next up, connect the set-top box to another set of input jacks on the AV selector in the same manner as you did with the DVD player. As with the first two, connect the gaming console up to the AV selector using RCA cables. Now use some more RCA cables to connect the output of the AV selector to the input of the RF modulator. Now that we're finished with the RCA cables, use a coaxial cable to connect the set-top box to the coaxial wall outlet. Now, using a coaxial cable, connect the output of the RF modulator to the input of the booster and divider unit. Now, using a coaxial cable, connect one of the output jacks of the booster and divider unit to the input jack of your main television. This will help maintain a good picture on your television. Now use another coaxial cable to connect the second output jack of the booster divider unit to the input jack of the second booster unit. Now connect an antenna to the output jack of the second booster unit. Now set up a second television and antenna within appropriate distance of the transmitting antenna. Some televisions will tune into it automatically. If not, I'll show you how to manually tune in your television to the frequency. Televisions are all different, and some units might require more effort than others to locate the frequency of your transmitter. If you're using an older set, most notably a unit using a rotary or turret tuner, then you'll have to do it manually. Select ultra high frequency on the VHF tuner, and then use a UHF tuner to locate the frequency of your transmitter. It is an added bonus if you already know what frequency it is using. If you are using a more modern set, then go into the menu. From here you should be able to locate an automatic tuning feature. If not, most modern sets also include a manual tuning feature, though this might take longer if you don't know the frequency of your transmitter. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video has been of some help. Check back soon for some more CRT television videos, and also look up the TheCRTman, a fellow television collector and enthusiast whose channel features many great videos.